Hello and welcome to Tech Talk. A low-cost and inflatable incubator has won this year's James Dyson Award. Designed by James Roberts in his final year at Loughborough University, the MUM incubator aims to cut infant mortality rates in the developing world.
Our brief is pretty much the same as the James Dyson Award in that we get told to design something that solves a problem. So with that, I was fortunate enough to be sitting in front of my TV one night and a programme on Syria came on. And the 5-minute section of that programme actually had information on just how these premature kids were dying just to lack of incubation. So I thought I'd try and solve it and kind of threw myself in at the deep end.
The incubator provides the bare essentials for what a premature baby needs, including a stable heat environment, high humidification levels, and a phototherapy unit for newborns suffering from jaundice. Basically, all the controls are contained in this pod here. And this controls the heat and the fans push the air through. This is the actual innovative part, the inflatable bit. This can collapse down with the incubator. And this side pod at the moment has a humidifier in it, which is also controlled by that pod. So you'd have the fans and humidifier in there. This one can be changed quite easily. So if you want oxygen or brain sensors or something like that, you can kind of swap and plug and play with them. So it means hospitals in the developing world, they can choose what they want. So they don't have to buy a crazy expensive incubator with bits they don't need. By making it inflatable, it has dramatically reduced production and shipping costs, with one unit costing just £250. That's over 100 times cheaper than current incubation systems. For winning the James Dyson Award, Roberts receives £30,000, which will be used to further test and develop the incubator with the aim of commercialising it within a couple of years. I've got to pretty much redesign this, take the initial ideas, but make it a proper factual product. So that's going to take some time. I've then got to test it. So there's a lot of government testing to go through. I've got to find out the different laws in these countries. And then after that, maybe put 50 of them in somewhere like Brazil and see if it can actually save some kids' lives.